Living with your Caesarstone isn't rocket science. Maintaining its beauty shouldn't be either. Caesarstone's quartz surfaces are non-porous and incredibly durable. It has earned the Good Housekeeping seal of approval, and it's certified by the National Sanitary Foundation for food preparation areas. Caesarstone is stain, heat, and scratch resistant, and it's backed by a lifetime warranty. Here are a few tips on how to keep your Caesarstone looking its best. Because the surface is completely non-porous, you never have to use any sealer or wax of any kind. For general cleaning, use a non-abrasive cleanser with bleach and thoroughly rinse off with water after use. The instructions are easy. Clean with product, rinse with damp paper towel, cloth, or sponge. Dry with a paper towel. For tough stains such as red wine, pen marks, even metal marks from keys or knives, use a cleanser containing oxalic acid. For nail polish stains, you can use nail polish remover. Just rinse it off right away and then clean and dry like you usually do. For honed, concrete, and Motivo surfaces, you might find that it takes a little more daily maintenance, but it's just as durable as a polished surface. Caesarstone is one of the toughest surfaces around. However, to avoid metal marks, it's always a good idea to use a cutting board. Be careful with excessive heat, and when handling hot items, be sure to use a trivet. There's no need to be sensitive with fruits and sauces with acidity on the surface, but always be cautious of stains. Those wishing to use environmentally safe cleaners may also use a combination of 50-50 vinegar and water. Tough? Yes. Indestructible? No. Caesarstone is resistant to cracks, scratches, and stains. However, like most materials, excessive force and/or pressure from objects can damage the surface. We've provided you with information to keep your Caesarstone looking beautiful for years to come. You can find even more detailed care and maintenance instructions at CaesarstoneUS.com. Thank you for choosing Caesarstone.